Hi guys, this is Ev Zervadakis, and today we're going to take a deep dive into the houses, the cusp, and how to read the exact degrees in minutes, because there's a lot of confusion out there. If you already know this, you don't have to watch it, but this is for the people that have been asking the same questions over and over. So I'm going to flip the screen and we're going to take a look, okay? Okay, first of all, we have these bold lines on my program. These bold lines mean that they're one of the sensitive points. So they're on the cusp. The cusp is the edge of the first house, fourth house, seventh house, and 10th house. So right here is the ascendant or the cusp of the first house, right here. This is a first house. That little one tells you it's a first house. So in this program, it tells you ascendant or ASC is 25 degrees in Taurus, 19 minutes. 25 degrees, 19 minutes, okay? And then it's repeated over here. It shows you the dial. Now, as a side note, if you're born anywhere between 28 degrees of a sign to 2 degrees of a sign, and your birthday is not 100% accurate, the sign could change. So instead of being Taurus, it could be Gemini. All right? I find that a lot, especially when they get the free online sites, okay? And they don't adjust for local mean time. With this program, we do local mean time. So now this is where it gets very tricky. So take a deep breath and follow me. So each little line over here, the tiny little lines, they look like teeth on a comb. They're 1 degree. So between this line here, where the red is, and this line here, there are 10 little lines depicting degrees, okay? I'm blowing it up for you. So each one of these lines is degrees. So right here, if you count, it's 25 degrees, 19 minutes, okay? Now, when you get to 29 degrees, it's not 30, very important, because we change signs. When we count in astrology, this line over here with the new color is a new sign. And how do you know that? Because it's right here, the sign of Gemini. Okay? So as we zoom out, you're going to see that all the signs are in a chart. Okay? So we have, start with Aries. Aries is this salmon color. Taurus is the green color. Gemini is the lavender color. Cancer is the blue color. Leo is the orange color. Virgo is this violet color. Libra is this fuchsia color. And then we have Scorpio, which is this pretty aqua color. Sagittarius is a nice green color. Capricorn over here, the symbols are here, is a brown color. Aquarius is up here, and that is a light blue color. And Pisces, the end of the signs, is right here with the pink color. Okay? Now, here we go. Why are these lines in the middle of a sign and not at 0 degrees? Well, this is the intricacy and the accuracy of astrology. I do not use the whole house system, and I don't use the equal house system. I use exactly as it's projected with the Koch house system. Here it is up here, Koch. All right. So this house here, the first house, the cusp, the sign is 25 degrees Taurus, 19 minutes. But then we go into Gemini. So technically, there are 2 sign energies in this first house. 2 sign energies. Okay? Now let's look at the second house. This is a cusp. The line between the first and the second house is called the cusp. And that cusp is in Gemini. And then there's some Cancer in that second house. All right? So you're going to say to me, which is most important? Great question. The cusps, the sign on the cusp, is the dominant one and the most important and the stronger one, usually. But we have to look at all the other factors. When we look at an astrology chart, we look at the whole thing that tells the whole story. We don't ignore different things. Off the bat, right here, we're seeing a planet right on one of these bold lines on the cusp of the 10th house. That's extremely important. So Pluto is very strong in this person's chart in their career or social status. All right? Same thing down here. We've got Black Moon Lilith, and I love using Black Moon Lilith. And right here, it's 3 degrees, 6 degrees, Black Moon Lilith in Leo, but the cusp of that 4th house is 3 degrees Leo, 20 minutes, right? So that's only a 3-degree distance. The distances in degrees are called orbs, ORBS, okay? So that is our little quick lesson on houses, house cusps. Very important. Sometimes astrologers skip these little details because it is very, very basic. All right? Hope you understand this. If you have any questions, reach out to me, put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, share it with other astrologers that would appreciate to learn all these little tidbits of information. Till the next time, have a good one. Love you dearly. Bye.